If your motorcycle faces any issue with ignition or if it misfires, you should check and replace the spark plug. A faulty spark plug often results in low mileage or performance concerns. Here is how to do it in a few simple steps. The first step is to check your toolbox for these tools. A spark plug tool, one 12 mm open-end spanner. You'll also need a new spark plug. First, ensure the motorcycle is turned off. Remove the suppressor from the spark plug. Before opening the spark plug, blow away the dust from the surrounding area to prevent it from falling inside the cylinder head. Remove the spark plug with the help of a spark plug remover tool and the 12 mm spanner. Inspect the electrode area for carbon deposits. Clean it with a dry cloth. Reinstall the plug. If the problem still persists, replace it. Insert the spark plug into the cylinder head area and tighten it firmly. Be careful not to over-tighten it to prevent any damage. Insert the suppressor cap over the spark plug and press it firmly till you hear a locking noise. Always remember, the engine should be at a normal temperature. The kill switch and the ignition should be switched off before accessing the spark plug. The spark plug is now fixed. Set off for your next ride. Keep riding.